Hey guys, would you like to know that how to add image inside the background with the scratch just like the HTML and CSS? If you don't know, then don't worry about that. So I'm going to show you that how you can add the image inside your div. So welcome in Softjohn and let's get started. So firstly, inside this HTML, I'm going to create this class just like the div class bgimg, vg-img. Actually, this is the class name, and that's one I will connect with this CSS. So basically that should be connected with the CSS because this is the styling. So inside the CSS I am calling here .vgimg, and inside here I will firstly create the dimensions like height 400 pixel and width 600 pixels. So basically this height and width is called the dimensions because if we don't have any dimensions, so we can't show the image. So and now I'm using the background color. So if I will reload my browser, so you can see there will display the exact dimension with the brown color. This one, yeah, you can see. Now I'm going to show you the image. So basically I will connect your image. So I'm going to write here background image, and inside here I will write the code URL and small braces images/img1.jpg, and you can see this image on my screen. Okay, so if I will reload my browser, so you can see this image is showing perfectly. Wow, all right, but it's not showing properly image, so I need to fix this one. Firstly, let me explain you. This one is the URL, actually uniform resource locator, that is the indicator that where is located my image. Inside the images folder, and /img1.jpg is the name of my image. And now I will write here one other property, background size. So basically inside the background size I would like to use here cover because I would like to show my image in proper size at the fixed dimension. So you can see this image now showing perfectly. So I hope you understand this one, and it's very interesting things. So you can call that kinds of the background images and you can add inside your code. So I hope you understand. So I hope you enjoy this video. Let's see you in the next videos.